Hi kids! Welcome to JC Learning Kids. Today we're going to learn some fun and easy action verbs. Are you ready to run, jump, dance and more? Let's go! Movement.
Run, run, run.
Run, run.
Jump, jump, jump.
Jump, jump.
Walk, walk, walk.
Walk, walk.
Slide, slide, slide.
Slide, slide.
Skip, skip, skip.
Skip, skip.
Climb, climb, climb.
Climb, climb.
Crawl, crawl, crawl.
Crawl, crawl.
Dance, dance, dance.
Dance, dance.
Spin, spin, spin.
Spin, spin.
Everyday actions.
Eat, eat, eat.
Eat, eat.
Drink, drink, drink.
Drink, drink.
Sleep, sleep, sleep.
Sleep, sleep.
Wake, wake, wake.
Wake, wake.
Sit, sit, sit.
Sit, sit.
Stand, stand, stand.
Stand, stand.
Wash, wash, wash.
Wash, wash.
Brush, brush, brush.
Brush, brush.
Open, open, open.
Open, open.
Close, close, close.
Close, close.
Talking and thinking.
Hawk, hawk, hawk.
Talk, talk.
Shout, shout, shout.
Shout, shout.
Whisper, whisper, whisper.
Whisper, whisper.
Sing, sing, sing.
Sing, sing.
Laugh, laugh.
Laugh, laugh.
Cry, cry, cry.
Cry, cry.
Think, think, think,
think, think,
ask, ask, ask,
ask, ask,
answer, answer, answer,
answer, answer,
read, read, read,
read, read,
Helping in doing,
clean, clean, clean,
clean, clean,
cook, cook, cook,
cook, cook,
draw, draw, draw,
draw, draw,
write, write, write,
write, write,
build, build, build,
build, build,
carry, carry, carry,
carry, carry,
catch, catch, catch,
catch, catch,
throw, throw, throw,
throw, throw,
push, push, push,
push, push,
pull, pull, pull,
pull, pull.
Great job, everyone! You did amazing with your action verbs. If you had fun learning with us, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe so you don't miss more fun with JC Learning Kids. See you next time. Bye-bye.